Hi, Kang. Hi. Hello.
Hi, teacher.
Wow, I am very happy today. I see you again. How are you today? Did you go to school today?
Yes, I go.
Oh, so before we start our lesson, can you tell me what are the things that you do in school today? Did you study? Kang, what did you do?
And do homework.
Ah! All of my students always told me, Teacher, I do my homework. Okay, so Kang, Teacher Leia is very, very happy today because we are going to start our class today. Yay! So did you eat your dinner today? Did you eat your dinner?
Indeed.
Are you done eating today? Kang, did you eat dinner?
I eat dinner.
Oh, can you tell me what is your dinner? Rice? What is your dinner today? Rice, egg, noodles?
Bread.
Ah, bread. Okay. So, we're done with last time we had a demo about Watch Us. Today, we are going to start our lesson. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Before we go there, of course, hold on. I will share my screen, but we're going to have a warm up song. Let's see, let's sing this first. Can you hear it? Can you see it?
Yes, I can say.
You can see, okay? Or not? Hold on, let me share my screen. Okay, can you see it now?
I see.
Yay!
One little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your head. Hey! One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your nose. Nose! One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your ear. Ear! One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your mouth. Mouth! One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your eyes.
Yes, put it on your eyes. Eyes. Okay. So now let's proceed to our lesson. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yay! Okay, let me share my screen. What do you think is our lesson today? Guess, guess, guess. It's all about... Hold on, let me share my screen. It's all about... What can you see in the picture, Kang?
I can see the animal.
Yay! So our lesson for tonight is all about animals. Animals! Say it again.
Animals.
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 Baby, animals, animals. So, Kang, can you tell teacher what animals can you see in the picture?
I can see a zebra.
Yes! What else? Aside from zebra, what animals? What animal that has a long neck?
I can see the giraffe.
Giraffe, yes. Look at the giraffe. Someone is look at the animal that is sneaking on his neck, on its neck. What's that? So there are many animals. There are lions, giraffe, zebra,
Hippo.
penguins. Okay, let's find out. Okay, what animal is the first one? Do you know what is it? What animal is this? It's a Kang. It's a bat. Bat. Bat.
Bat.
Yes, I don't like bat. Do you like bat?
No.
Me too. The second picture, what is it?
Rabbit.
Yes, rabbit. Rabbit. Do you like rabbit? I like rabbit. Okay, number three picture, what is it? It's a kangaroo. Am I right? Kangaroo. Yes. Can you say it, baby? Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
The fourth picture, what's that? It's a fly. Fly.
Fly.
Yay. Okay, next. Baby, let's try to read them all again. Bat, rabbit, kangaroo, fly. Kang? Read
Bat.
them.
Rabbit. Kangaroo. Fly.
Fly. Woohoo, good job. Okay, next. What's the first picture, baby? It's a
Is a dolphin.
dolphin. The second picture.
Panda.
Panda. Yes, you're correct. And the third picture.
Whale.
Whale. Okay, next.
Parrot.
It's
This is parrot.
parrot. Say it again. Dolphin, panda, whale, parrot.
Dolphin, panda, whale, parrot.
Yay! So baby, what animal do you like in the picture?
I like dolphin.
Dolphin. Why? Why do you like dolphin? Baby, why do you like dolphin?
It is very fun.
Yes. Wow. Okay, next picture. What's the first one?
This is a sock.
Baby shark. Baby shark. Number 2. What's
Goat.
It's a
Goat.
goat? Yes. The third one? The third one. It's a what? It's a baby lizard. Am I right, lizard? Yes, teacher is right, lizard. And the last picture, what is it?
Lion.
Lion. Okay, let's try to read them all, baby. Shark, goat, lizard, lion.
Shark. Goat. Lizard. Lion.
Okay, what do you like most in the picture? I don't like them all, baby.
I like the lion.
Why? I am scared. Why do you like lion? The lion is the
Angry.
king of
Very
the jungle. King of the jungle, right? Okay, next. Okay, say then write the animals. Okay, number 1, what is it, baby?
bear.
Bear. Number 2?
Bat.
Number 3, continue, baby.
Rabbit.
Okay, 4?
Kangaroo.
Yes, kangaroo. Number 5?
Fly.
Fly. Number 6?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Yes. Number 7?
Panda.
Panda. Yes, continue.
Whale.
Okay, continue.
Parrot.
Parrot. Okay.
Sock.
Shark. Next.
Lion.
Lion and
Lizard.
lizard. So, baby, can you tell me what's your favorite animal?
Is rabbit.
Why? Why?
Is very fast.
What are you? What animal does? What animal are you afraid of? What animal is it that you are you afraid of? Kang. What animals are you afraid of?
Sock.
Why?
This was scary.
It's scary, right? And the shark can eat you, right? Okay. Next. Which animals are beautiful? So it means one or two animals. Which animals are beautiful? In your own opinion, in yourself, baby. What animals are beautiful? Mine, I can say that parrot and dolphin are beautiful. How about you? What animals are beautiful in the picture?
The whale and lion.
What, baby? I can't hear. I don't understand. What?
A rabbit and whale.
A rabbit and whale. Why? Why are they beautiful? Why? Why? Delilah. Why? Why do you think they are beautiful, baby? Why? Because why are they beautiful, baby? Because why do you think are they beautiful, baby? You just think that they are beautiful, right? How about ugly? What animals are ugly?
Fly and lizard.
Lizard? Why? Why, baby?
It's not beautiful.
It's ugly. Yes, you are correct, baby. What animals are funny?
A whale and parrot.
Whales and parrots. Okay. How about what animals are dangerous?
The sun and lion.
Shark, lion. Yes, they can eat you, right? Okay. Okay, can you tell me again? What is the first one? Let's try to read them all, baby. Hold on, baby. Can you read 1 to 12, baby? The correct one. A bear. Bear.
Rabbit, kangaroo, fly, dolphin, panda, whale, parrot, shark, lion, lizard.
Okay, very good. Next is write all the animals as quickly as possible. Okay, can you read them all, baby, in alphabetical arrange? Bat, cat, bat,
Bear, dolphin, fly, kangaroo, lion, lizard, parrot, panda, parrot, rabbit, shark, whale.
yes. Okay, well, the biggest to smallest. Baby,
Whale, bear, panda, kangaroo, dolphin, lion, shark, rabbit, parrot,
bat, lizard. Wow.
rat.
Yay! Okay. Which parts of a crocodile can you see on the in the pictures 1 to 4? Look at the picture 1, baby. What part is that? It's, what are these?
Is hippo.
Face, baby, I think. Eyes. The second picture, what is that? Baby.
Mouth.
Mouth. Yes, the third picture.
Leg. leg,
Foot, right? Next, the fourth picture. The fourth picture. It's a tail. And the fifth picture, it's a baby. Okay, baby, can you read them all?
baby,
Again, it's eyes, baby,
mouth, leg, no,
tail,
baby,
and it's
paw,
baby.
baby,
One more try, baby. Its eyes, its mouth, its leg or foot, its tail, and its baby. Go, Kang.
his eyes, his mouth, his leg, and foot, his paw, and his baby.
It's baby. Yes, good job. Okay, next. Is a crocodile, you will answer it yes or no, baby. Is a crocodile, is a crocodile's mouth big or small?
Big,
Yes, very good. Is a crocodile's tail long or short?
is long,
Long. I'm sorry, baby. Are crocodiles' legs ugly or beautiful, baby? Ugly or beautiful? Are a crocodile's legs ugly or beautiful?
ugly,
Yes. Do you know that crocodiles come from eggs?
no,
Oh, me too, baby. Now, let's have this one. Okay, now let's try to read. How much do you know about crocodiles? Are you ready? Write yes or no, okay? Can you read number 1?
two crocodiles only live in
Rivers.
rivers.
Do you know that crocodiles live in rivers?
Yes,
Actually, yes. Sorry. Do crocodiles open their eyes when they are swimming, do you think?
yes,
Can crocodiles swim and walk?
yeah,
Do crocodiles have lots of teeth?
yes,
Do crocodiles eat birds?
no,
Okay, how about, is it safe to go swimming with crocodile? Baby, is it safe? No, baby, it's not safe to swim with crocodile. Is a baby crocodile inside its egg for 20 weeks? We're going to find out the answer by reading this. Okay, baby, can you read this one? How much do you know about crocodiles? Number 1, can you read it? Kang?
Crocodile eat fish, bird, animal, and something. They eat people too. They do not eat grass or plants.
Okay, hold on, baby. Crocodiles eat fish, birds, and animals, and sometimes they eat people too. They do not eat grass or plants. So number 2, crocodile, a crocodile.
Crocodile has a long body and mouth and long toe. A crocodile has short legs. Could eat careful because they can swim and they can run too.
Okay, remember that crocodile can swim and run too. My goodness. Next, a mother crocodile.
Mother crocodile sits on her eggs for about 12 weeks and eggs open. The mother carries her baby crocodile into the river.
Yes, a mother crocodile sits on her eggs for about 12 weeks. Then the eggs open. Oh my God. The mother carries her baby crocodiles into the river when they will hatch. Okay, number 4, baby.
You can find crocodile in many parts of the world. Some crocodile only live in rivers, but some crocodile can live in the sea too.
Yes. So crocodiles can live under the water. Their mouths are under the water, but their eyes are above the water. A crocodile's eyes are on the top of its head. Oh my goodness. Okay, so they can live in the sea and the rivers too. Okay, next, baby.
When crocodiles swim, they can see this mouth under the water, but its eyes are above the water. A
Yes.
crocodile eyes are on the top of its head.
Okay. Next.
Look inside the crocodile mouth and you can find out teeth. They can have between 60 and 80 teeth. People can have about
You should have about 30 feet. Oh my God. Baby, the number of teeth of the crocodiles are between 60 to 80 teeth. While humans or while us have only 30 teeth. So crocodiles have many teeth than us, right? 7.
crocodiles are dangerous animals. You should never go near them.
You should know. So remember, baby, you should never go near the crocodile, okay?
So,
Oh my God. So the answer for number 1 to 7 are, can you read it, baby? No. Yes. Can you read it, baby? Can. No.
no.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, 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 yes. No, no.
Okay. So that's on the last page. Okay, take note, baby. Like as a verb meaning enjoy. So like and enjoy are the same. We use like to talk about things or people which we enjoy or feel positive about. Like plus verb ing. Can you read the example, baby?
I like swimming before
Breakfast.
but likes flying through the night.
Okay, swimming and flying. Verb plus ing. Okay, next. Okay, read and write the animals. Look at the first picture, baby. Look at the first one. It has a tail and it likes catching mice. It sounds like cat. So the answer is cat. So this is the cat, okay? Okay, let's try number 2, baby. Can you answer it? Read it and then answer.
It's always hungry and it has a little brain. It sounds like, oh,
It's always
shark.
shark. Let's try it. Goat, baby. Goat. Number 3. Number 3, it's very small.
Small.
It's very, can you read it number 3, baby?
It's very small and it sounds like
It's cheese. It sounds like house.
mouse.
Mouse. Okay, very good. Next, number 4.
It green and it jump very well. It sounds like dog. Frog.
Frog. Yes. Number 5. Number 5, baby.
It
Eat grass.
grass. It sounds like no. Cow.
Yay! Very good. Wow. Next, Kang. Number 6.
It sing and sometimes live in a it walk.
It sings and sometimes lives in a cage. It sounds like word. Bird? Oh, teacher is correct. Next, baby.
It's living in the sea. I'm frightened of it.
It sounds like park. Baby shark. Baby shark. Oh. Next, baby. It has no legs.
It has no leg and make a noise like it sounds like cake.
It has no legs and makes a noise like shh. It sounds like cake.
Snake.
Snake. Very good. Next. Number 9.
It's really big and it swims in the sea. It sounds like troll.
It sounds like, what's that? Whale.
If flew at night, it sounds like bat. Bat.
Yeah, very good. This is easy. Okay, next. Hold on, baby. Okay. So we're going to listen. Are you ready to listen?
I'm ready.
Okay, prepare a piece of paper, baby.
2E. Animals, animals. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello. Hello, Grandma. I'm at the zoo.
Hello, Peter. Wow! Which zoo?
I'm at World Zoo. You spell that W-O-R-L-D.
World Zoo. It's great there.
I know.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
Who are you with?
I'm here with Mum.
So you're there with Mum. That's nice.
Yes, I'm talking to you on her phone.
Oh,
2.
where are you now?
We're by the cafe.
What can you see?
I'm looking at 5 monkeys. They've got really funny faces.
5 monkeys. I love monkeys.
Me too.
3.
Are monkeys your favourite animals?
No, they aren't.
So which animals do you like best?
The dolphins. They're very good at jumping.
Yes, dolphins can swim very well too.
I know, Grandma.
4.
You can ride some animals here.
Which animals?
You can ride a horse. It's really big.
You can ride a horse there?
Yes, Grandma. I'm not frightened of that.
5.
There's a shop here too.
What can you buy there?
Well, I want to buy a book. I'd like a new book.
Good idea.
Oh, Grandma! There's a penguin! It's standing by my foot!
What?
Sorry, Grandma. I've got to go now. Bye.
Let's try to repeat it again, baby, okay? Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's try it.
2E. Animals, animals. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Grandma. I'm at the zoo.
Hello, Peter. Wow! Which zoo?
I'm at World Zoo. You spell that W-O-R-L-D.
World Zoo. It's great there.
I know.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
Who are you with?
I'm here with Mum.
So you're there with Mum. That's nice.
Yes, I'm talking to you on her phone.
Oh,
2.
where are you now?
We're by the cafe.
What can you see?
I'm looking at 5 monkeys. They've got really funny faces.
5 monkeys. I love monkeys.
Me too.
3.
Are monkeys your favourite animals?
No, they aren't.
So which animals do you like best?
The dolphins. They're very good at jumping.
Yes, dolphins can swim very well too.
I know, Grandma.
4.
You can ride some animals here.
Which animals?
You can ride a horse. It's really big.
You can ride a horse there?
Yes, Grandma. I'm not frightened of that.
5.
There's a shop here too.
What can you buy there?
Well, I want to buy a book. I'd like a new book.
Good idea.
Oh, Grandma! There's a penguin! It's standing by my foot!
What?
Sorry, Grandma. I've got to go now. Bye.
Okay, baby. So can you tell me, Peter's Day at the zoo, what is the name of the zoo again? World? What's the name of the zoo? It's World Zoo, right? Can you read it? World Zoo. Baby. What? Who's with Pita? Who's with Pita? Baby, who's with Pita?
Grandma.
Her mom, baby, her mom, mother, right? And what can he see? How many monkeys can he see? How many monkeys can he see in the conversation?
I can see
5 monkeys. So baby, what is his favorite animals?
is dolphin.
Dolphin, okay. What can he ride on? What can he ride on? What can he ride on, baby? He can ride on a horse. Okay. He wants to buy what?
You want to buy a book.
Yes. He wants to buy a book. Yay. Okay, next. Okay, can you read them all, baby? Word, hair, coat, by, mat, lake.
Walk, hair, coat, by, map, lake.
Yes. Cat, snake, goat, bear, bird, fly.
Cat, snake,
Baby, goat,
goat, bear, bird, fly.
yes. Make, hat, bear, boat, I, third. Cat sounds like mat,